无论被我们的想，我用社会的那种主，正要做被蒙的政治，我那Amerika 的被蒙是共的，的在推应用，那正要被的政治的看到了当地，被这么给18是共的。问题的当地，比较遗憾呢，我撞到。
Thank you, everyone. My name is May Ramirez Zhang, and I am here with everyone here on behalf of the many proud descendants of the Hmong veterans. One whom is with us today. We are deeply honored by this resolution. The Hmong people gave everything, risking their lives, their family, and their future to fight alongside the United States in a war that not many knew we were a part of. Though we carry deep scars, we also carry immense pride in our strength, loyalty, and sacrifice. We are proud to be American and grateful to live in this beautiful country. The freedom and the opportunities we enjoy here are a powerful reminder of why our families fought and sacrificed so much. This is our home, and we cherish it deeply. We want to thank the Anchorage Assembly for honoring not only the Hmong people, but also the neighboring tribes who shared our struggles and stood with us, especially the Yuman people. This resolution affirms our place in American history, and now, with great pride and love, I would like to introduce the Hmong veteran who represents the legacy and courage and resilience, my father.